Garage has gotten to be a bit of a mess in here, so I got a little cleanup I need to do. But we basically got our engine mostly done. Sure do. It probably would be more fun to hear it run before I get into the rat rod. So I might want to concentrate on figuring out a way to attach it some sort of way to something that we could work from. Yep, might want to do that. I've seen people crank them hanging from the lift before too. I mean, that's doable too. It's another option. But I could just about lower it down, put a couple boards across the front of that to kind of have a little something under the oil pan, and then finish my rocker arms, put my I call them push rods, but they're people. When you say push rods, people think of piston rods, but I think of you know, rocker rods, lifter rods, whatever you call that. If I could put those in there, I think it'd be better to hear it crank. So I didn't want to do it on that stand, but I bet I can come up with a way that'll work. That'll be my chore for tomorrow, that and kind of generally getting things in shape here. Could do good. Could do me good. So I found a distributor cap. So I've got a distributor cap. So basically what I need is a rotor button and a coil. I might have a coil somewhere out there, somewhere around here. I usually do have at least one or two or three hanging around. All of that would show itself if I did a little organizing, so I might want to do some of that. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay.